So basically, took the oil out of the engine, filtered it with this rag. It was clean, and now it seems to be pretty full. So we're gonna take this oil, pour it back through the motor to flush any extra debris out of it. So basically, I've got a drain pan on the bottom. Hope it's in the right spot. And I filtered this with a rag. I also cleaned the container and hot water and let it dry right out for a couple days. Yeah, we're just gonna flush everything out basically with this clean oil. So I managed to get the cam cover off, and as you can see, it looks a little not so nice. Crank lock tool is in there. So we're just gonna pull the belt off. That almost looks like you should just slide right in there, Jimmy. It doesn't go any further than that. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to. So maybe all that power came out of timing or something. Who knows? Do you know?
No.
We'll find out with the next motor and the new timing belt. So we're about to pull the cam sprocket off with this puller T10052. Basically, just loosen the bolt a little bit. And now you just crank on it. Should pop right off. Those are the lifters and the bearings we're replacing. The old camshaft, this one right here in the front. So we just torqued it down. We got her lubed up with our installation, you know, it says right here. Also, it is also a premium assembly lube. Huh. Nice dry starts. Perfect. So, we're trying it out. You ever used this torque wrench before?
Yeah.
We're gonna change the water pump real quick. We're just gonna brake clean it because we didn't really clean it good enough earlier last time. So we've got everything brand new in here. A dog hair? What the fuck? Please inspect your products even if they're brand new, you know. Little dog hair coulda, who knows what coulda did. Just kind of hard and not turn that way. Slide that on like that. Okay, so we got it all in there, torqued down. We're about to pull the pin. Take this pin out, we're gonna take the crank lock tool off, we're gonna turn it over and see if everything lines up. So we're gonna turn it over and line it back up. I'm gonna put the tool back on here to lock the crank. Make sure it's all lined up. Well, it slips in fucking smooth. So I was having a hard time with it, but now we got it to line up. We turned the motor over like 3 times. Pin goes in. It's a little snug, but it's not actually a factory tool either, so it lines up. Basically, I did it again and again just to check, so I did it 3 times. Basically. So, you have the crank lock in there, and it lines up. It's a little snug, but it could just be because of the belt or something. Maybe it'll need an adjustment later on. Watch a video, it was pretty neat. They just loosen these bolts and turn the sprocket a little bit to adjust it after it was put together, which seemed pretty easy. You just need a computer equivalent to like a Volkswagen scanner, so like VAGCOM or something. So we got the tandem pump back in, the water jacket, and the what do you call that? The vent. Whatever. It's kind of squished in there. I got it. One's got a kink in there, so it's got like a 90 bend. So once that's all together, it looks kind of somewhat clean. But I'm thinking of taking this apart and then adding a coolant heater. Yeah, we're just trying to get the motor mount back on here. It's a bit tight. Putting some protective wrap on the hose. So this is getting closer, almost at the finished product, and I'm just gonna throw the intercooler pipe and intake pipe back in, but still got this issue to address. We're gonna go and break in the engine and, well, the camshaft, I should say, and deal with this later. Take the bumper off after when we do the first oil change.